Hello friends, good evening. So today we'll discuss a very basic math trick, that is box method multiplication trick. Okay, so in this video we will learn how to multiply 3-digit 4-digit number very quickly. Okay, so let's start. So let's take first one with 2-digit number. Okay, so 49 multiplied by 22. Okay, so how we'll make box? So we have 2-digit number is multiplied by 2 digits. So here 2 digit, so we'll make 2 column, and here 2 digits, so we'll make 2 row. Okay, so first we'll make 2 column, got it? Now 2 row, so this is our 2 row. Now 49 is 40 plus 9. So I will write here 40 and 9 here. And 22 is 20 plus 2. So I will write here 20 and 2 here. Okay. Now what we'll do? We will multiply. We will multiply diagonally. Okay. So we'll first multiply 20 into 40. So it's a 800. Now 20 with 9, so it's 180. Now 2 into 40, it's 80, and 2 into 9 is 18. Now what we'll do? We will add all this. So 800 plus 180 plus 80 plus 18. Okay, so 8 16 17, 7 1 carry. Now 9 and 10. Okay, so our answer is 1078. Easy? Yes, it is very easy. Let's take another one. Second is 78 multiplied by 28. Okay, again we have 2 digits, so 2 column, 2 digits, so 2 row, 2 row. Okay, 2 row, so we'll make 2 column. This is 2 column. Now 2 row. Okay, now 78 is 70 plus 8. So I will write here 70 and 8 here in second column. Now 28 is 20 plus 8. So we'll write 20 here first row and 8 in second row. Okay, again we'll multiply this. So 20 into 70 is 1400. 20 into 8 is 160. 8 into 70 is 560. 8 into 8 is 64. Now sum up all. So 1400, 160, 560 and 64. So it's 4. 6 3s are 18. So it's 8, 1 carry. 5 10, 10 or 11, 1 carry. So 2184 is the answer. This is 2184. Okay, let's take third one. Okay, this is slightly different. So we have 422, 3 digit multiply by 27. 3 digit is multiplied by 2 digits. So what we'll do? We'll make 3 column and here 2 row. So let's make it out. 1, 2 and 3 column. Okay. Now we have 2 row. Got it? Now 422 is 400 plus 20 plus 2. So I will write here 400, here 20 and here 2. Okay. And 27 is 20 plus 7. So I will write here 20 and 7. Okay. Now I will multiply. 400 into 20 is 8000. 20 into 20 is 400. 20 into 2 is 40. Now 7 into 400 is 2800. 7 into 20 is 140. 7 into 2 is 14. Okay. So let's sum up all. 8000, 2800, 400, 140, 40, 14. Okay. So it's 4, 4, 8 on 9. Now 8 plus 4, 12 plus 1, 13. So 3 carry 1, 10 or 11. So our answer is 11,394. Easy, very easy. It out. 2 column. Here we'll make 3 row. 1, 2, 3. So 28 is 20 plus 8. So 20 here and 8 here. Now 168 is 100 plus 60 plus 8. So I will write here 100, 60 and 8. Okay. So let's multiply. 100 into 20 is 2000. 100 into 8 is 800. 60 into 20 is 1200. 60 into 8 is 480. 8 into 20 is 160. And 8 into 8 is 64. Let's add all. So 2000 plus 1200 plus 160, 800, 480 and 64. Okay. So 4. Now 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 plus 6 is 20. So 0 and carry 2. 2 plus 2, 4, 5. 5 and 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 plus 4 is 17. So 7 here, carry 1. 2 plus 1, 3 and 4. So answer is 4704. 4704. Let's take last one. Okay. So 146 is multiplied by 248. 3 digit is multiplied by 3 digits. So 3 column and 3 row. Okay. Now 3 column. Now 146 is 100 plus 40 plus 6. Okay, so we'll write here 140 and 6. Now 248 is 200 plus 40 plus 8. So 248. Let's multiply. 200 into 100 is 20,000. 200 into 40 is 8,000. 200 into 6 is 1200. 40 into 100 is 4000. 40 into 40 is 1600. 40 into 6 is 240. 8 into 100 is 800. 8 into 40 is 320. 8 into 6 is 48. Okay, so let's sum up all. So 20,000 plus 8,000 plus 1200 plus 4,000 plus 1,600 plus 240 plus 800 plus 320 plus 48. Okay, let's sum up all. So 0 0 0, it's 8. Now 0 0 0, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 4 10. Okay, so 0 and carry 1. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 6 9, 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 8 19, 19 plus 3 22. So here 2 and carry 2. So 2 plus 8 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11 plus 4 15, 15 plus 1 16. So 6 and carry 1. And here is nothing, so it's a 3. 36208 is the answer. I hope this is clear. I hope you like the video. Thank you. Please do share and subscribe. Bye bye.